Guardline wireless driveway alarm, 4 motion detector alarm sensors, and 1 receiver, 1/4 mile range, weatherproof outdoor. Security alert system for home and property. Security, feel a sense of safety around your home with our weatherproof perimeter alarm set. It's sensitive to heat and motion during the day and at night, making it an alert system you can count on. Easy to install, no need to call in an expensive technician for this home security system. Our outdoor motion sensor alarm is a plug-and-play device that installs in minutes. Long range with 4 motion sensors and 1 receiver, each driveway sensor also has a wireless range of up to 1/4 mile for plenty of coverage around your property. 1/2 mile long range solar wireless driveway alarm, outdoor weather resistant motion sensor, and detector, security alert system, monitor and protect outside property. No need to replace battery. Advantage, 30 years plus solar driveway alarm, wireless and solar driveway alert system produced in our own factory with our leading edge systems technology. Wireless solar driveway alarm includes 1 AC powered receiver and 1 sensor. Solar powered, no need replace batteries. The sensor is powered by a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery which will be charged by the solar panel, so no need replace the battery. The sensor also can be powered by the DC 5V power adapter. Driveway alarms, 1/2 mile solar driveway alarm system, up to 70 feet wide sensor range, fully weatherproof outdoor motion sensor and detector, DIY security alert system, 1 receiver and 2 sensors, KIT. Solar wireless alarms. The outdoor weather resistant solar motion sensor is powered by built-in rechargeable battery, and the battery will be charged by the top-mounted built-in solar panel even on rainy or cloudy days. There is also a charge jack at the back of the sensor which can be charged by the included USB charging cord or the extra solar panel sold by HTZSAFE if the sensor will be installed indoor or some darkness areas. Solar powered, no need replace batteries. HTZSAFE solar wireless driveway alarm system, 1/2 mile long transmission range, 300 feet wide sensor range, no wiring, no need replace battery, outdoor weatherproof security perimeter alert system, KIT. Solar wireless outdoor weatherproof security photoelectric beam sensor. Battery powered and solar charged, requires no wiring. Infrared detection range up to 300 feet, wireless transmission range up to 1/2 mile. The receiver total has 4 wireless zones and each zone has its own alarm voice, alarm, chime. The receiver also has 4 relay outputs responding to the 4 wireless zones, used to connect our system to other alarm system. 1,800-foot wireless outside driveway alarm, outdoor motion sensor and detector driveway alert system, rechargeable battery / weatherproof / mute mode / clock and alarm functional. Reliable and dependable, 1/3 mile long range, 1,760 feet, 536 m, tested in real-world settings with trees, buildings, walls, and vehicles for an accurate measure of wireless range. Weatherproof motion sensors, works well in rain or snow. Multifunctional receiver. The included receiver also works as a clock and alarm, customize your chimes, volumes, and more. Reliable and expandable sensor. The sensor is equipped with a rechargeable battery for up to 12 months on a full charge. Easily adjust the sensor's sensitivity to avoid interference, like leaves or small animals, or expand your security zone to up to 8 additional sensors.